Guys, welcome back to Maladies Kitchen. So today I'll be teaching you how to make fisherman soup. Fisherman soup is native to the River State people in Nigeria. So come along with me as we enjoy the process together. Please I want to ask, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also click the like button and the bell icon so that whenever new videos drop you'll get notified. So let's get started right away. So this is how the soup is going to look when we are done making it. Please sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, and I beg you, try and subscribe. Please help your sister's ministry and subscribe. So here are the ingredients we are going to be using to make this soup: catfish, cow skin, snails, shrimps, periwinkles, cocoyam for thickening, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning powder, salt, palm oil. So after placing the fish in the pot, we are going to add a seasoning powder, salt, onion puree, and of course the blended pepper. That's the scotch bonnet. And then at the same time, we are going to be putting in the cow skin. This is because it is a bit tough. So just for it to get tender, we'll put it so it can also have some taste. We'll also put in the shrimps at the same time so it can come out with a good taste. After it has boiled for about 10 minutes, we'll add the palm oil. Everything will blend in. So after this must have boiled for another 10 minutes, then you add your thickener, allow it to melt, and then you add your Uziza leaf, and then the food is ready to serve. It's ready to serve. So guys, we are going to go quickly into making the Semo that we are going to be using to serve the soup, serve with the soup. So you allow water to boil, put water on fire, allow it to boil, and then put in some Semo into your bowl, add cold water, stir it properly, mix it, let it be properly mixed, and after mixing it, you pour it right into the pot. When you pour it into the pot, you're going to give it a proper stir. You do it quickly so it doesn't form lumps. Give it a proper stir. And after that, you're going to allow it to boil for some time, for like a minute. Allow it to boil for like a minute or less than a minute. And then after it has boiled for that period of time, you start to add some more and turn it. You're going to be turning it very fast so it doesn't form lumps. You continue to add and turn until you get the consistency that you want. You know, some people like it very soft and light, while some like it hard. So you just do it to your own taste. You're going to keep turning it until it looks very good. This method is to ensure that the semo is properly done. You stir very well. After turning it very well, it has mixed properly. Then you're going to add a little water, hot water preferably. You add just a little to make the cooking process complete. You add a little water, you cover it for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. And after that, you turn it again. And after turning it properly, the food is ready to serve. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like. So that is it. After it has boiled for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, you turn it properly and allow everything to mix well. Allow everything to mix well. And that's it. You're done. Your food is ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching once again.